Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Apple iPhone 13 for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 13 is now here at Boost Mobile. It is currently out of stock right now, so hopefully they'll get it back in stock soon. So you guys will have 3 colors to choose from here. You guys got the graphite color, red, and blue colors to choose from. Now you guys got 3 storage options: 128 gigs, which is $829.99, 256 gigs, which is $929.99, or 512 gigs, $1129.99. They're all out of stock. So yeah. So there's the iPhone 13 front and back. Front of the phone, you guys have your notch with your front-facing camera there, and your earpiece. Right side of the phone has your power button. Left side of the phone has your volume keys and your light switch. Back of the phone, y'all guys just see here has your dual camera system. Camera flash Apple logo on the rear, so it looks like the iPhone 12 from last year, except for slightly better internals on the iPhone 13. That's back up there. There's your up close with the camera. It's an ultra wide and wide angle lens on the rear with the camera flash. It has cinematic mode, adds shadow depth of field, and shifts focus automatically. Except accessories, of course. So it says here, iPhone 13, the most advanced dual camera system ever on iPhone. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip. A big leap in battery life, durable design, super fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. So you guys know what the specs are of the iPhone 13 by now. It has a 6.1 inch display, 12 megapixel cameras on the rear and front camera as well, 19 hours of talk time, 4K video recording, iOS 15 pre-installed. So you guys will get iOS updates for like 5 years to come, so that's pretty fucking insane. So of course, as a work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick up point and activate online. Features: your new superpower, a super bright display and a durable design, Hollywood-worthy video shooting made easy, a lightning fast chip, and a big boost in battery life you will notice every day. Now I wish they would make this shit bigger, cause I'm having a hard time reading this shit here. It says here, super bright, super colorful, super sharp. A more vivid OLED display that's both easy. Yeah. Says a more vivid OLED display that's both easy to see in full sunlight and power efficient with a durable design that's water and dust resistance. So you guys can see the screen sizes there. Boost Mobile does not have the iPhone 13 mini currently. They might get that later in the future. So they don't have the iPhone 13 mini. Boost Mobile don't. I don't know why they don't have the iPhone 13 mini. It makes no sense. But it's water resistance. It has aluminum. It has an aerospace grade aluminum design. Ceramic shield. 5 stunning finishes. Cinematic mode, iPhone went to film school, so you don't have to automatically create beautiful depth effects and focus transitions in your videos. Bring a new level of storytelling to the scenes you shoot. Cinematic mode is also available on the True Depth front camera. Totally advanced camera, simply brilliant photos. A huge upgrade for better photos and videos. More light capture with the wide camera. Censored shift, optical image stabilization, and more detail in dark areas of your photos with the ultra wide camera. A new diagonal design fits a larger wide angle and a wide camera and sensor. Raises the bar for battery life. A big boost in battery life you'll notice every day. That means more time to watch, game, and do more of what you love, even on iPhone 13 mini. up to 19 hours of video playback on a single charge. A15 Bionic chip, super speed boosting, camera elevating, power optimizing chip. A15 Bionic powers graphic intensive games and new camera features like cinematic mode and photographic styles, and it's more efficient, helping deliver longer battery life, fast performance today, and powerful capabilities for years to come. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. There's no phone like the iPhone. Smart performance Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligent in everything you do. Protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. I cannot read, that's so fucking small. I cannot read the text, that's too small. I can't read it. Durable and retains value. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones, and that is very true. Sustainability. iPhone is designed with the environment in mind, using recycled materials, so that's nice. Specs on the iPhone 13, of course you guys know what they are. You guys have a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe and Q wireless charging capable, 19 hours of video playback time, non-removable battery, 128, 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage, A15 Bionic chip, iOS 15 on board. You guys will get like 5 years of OS updates, which is very nice. Dual 12 megapixel cameras in the rear, which is a wide angle and ultra wide camera lens. The wide angle lens has an f1.6 aperture lens, and then the ultra wide has an f2.4 aperture lens. Display 6.1 inches OLED Super Retina XDR. Display dimensions 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, 0.30 inches depth. iPhone 13 weighs 6.14 ounces. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Lightning connection, and Apple Pay, of course. Other features include FaceTime video and audio, Apple Card, and Siri, of course. What's included in the box is nothing really special. You guys do get the iPhone 13 with iOS 15, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box like it was last year. Apple assumes that you guys got charging bricks around your house, so you guys can use it to charge your iPhone. So no charging brick in the box this year like it was last year. So do keep it in mind, alright? If you guys need help with your iPhone 13, Beast Mobile has you covered with that. So if you want to know everything there is to know about this one, learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications, alright? So with that being said, there is the iPhone 13. It is currently out of stock right now. Beast Mobile has it in 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. It's $829.99, $929.99, or $1129.99. Alright. So hopefully the iPhone 13 will be back in stock soon. Hopefully it'll be in stock soon, because I don't think it's been in stock at all. So yeah, there you guys go. iPhone 13 now available at Beast Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.